Take a ride in the 2018 Ford Fusion. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror, floor mats, cruise control, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.